What's up, guys? Back here today, I'm trying out this 6-stage Apollo sprayer from Apollo HVLPs. Man, check that bad boy out. We already got some sealer mixed up in the maximizer, and we got a little dog project that we're gonna do. Can I get him to sit straight? So this is so I've never tried a turbine sprayer before, so this is gonna be my first experience. So let's do it and let's see what we can get ourselves into. Start this process, we were told to open the fan all the way, and then we were gonna close the material all the way in, and then we opened it up one full turn out, and then that should be our starting base, and then if we need more, we'll just open the material a little bit more. So this is the wet bed sealer laid on, and it laid on phenomenal for that to be the whole paint system in one. That is absolutely insane. Like, I am hardly ever impressed, and that is so impressing. I mean, bro, it's shot just like a regular paint gun. That is so cool, bro, that you can spend a couple, like $1,000 or $2, bro, and you'll get the whole setup from paint sprayer to compressor, bro. That turbine system is awesome. So I'm gonna go clean that maximizer out. I wanna mix up some base coat, and let's see how it sprays some solvent base coat. Solvent base coat from the spray source, and we have it in our maximizer gun. I was told to spray the sealers and the base about 5 to 6 PSI, and as you see, about 6 PSI is what I sprayed the sealer. It worked really, really well. So as you see, we got the silvered rolls on. It went on perfectly just like a regular base coat should. That system is a phenomenal system. So we're gonna probably throw on one more color to like kind of two-tone it, and then we'll be ready for some clear coat. All right, we might end up doing 2 colors, but I have some hazmat in the maximizer next, and we got this silvered rolls all dehydrated and ready to go. And everything is spraying really, really nicely with this. So, I mean, if you haven't had a chance to get one, you gotta go ahead and try it out. So very lastly, I got some Texas metal, which is the spray source is blue. I'm gonna just toss that on top. As you see, it's fading like a regular paint gun. It looks like a regular paint gun, and this basically is a regular paint gun. And the whole setup of this could be a little bit more pricey than a regular paint gun, but the amount of money you can make with this whole entire system is insane because this is beautiful work. All right, and we're pretty much done with the colors. We'll throw some clear on it and see what it looks like outside. The biggest thing with this is, I actually might do a pearl mid coat, but I don't know yet. But the biggest thing with this is I'm not sure, so I'm not sure if you can see, but I'm able to keep these blends really, really close. The accuracy on this gun is phenomenal. The atomization is phenomenal. It's a really, really nice gun. Them colors came out fantastic. So like I said, I might do a pearl mid coat over the top, and then we'll clear it and see how it looks. All right, I lied. That was not the last coat. I'm gonna do this horizon pearl mid coat over it, and then we'll throw on the clear. So we're gonna be using their new maximizer for the clear coat. We have their 3M adapter as well. So we'll go ahead and clear coat this and see how it comes out. All right, guys, we are all done, and as you can see, she came out magnificent. Absolutely magnificent. You still might not be convinced because it's such a small project, so don't worry and stay tuned because I'll be definitely doing some bigger projects now. I was a little bit nervous myself, but I really think this will be able to perform and handle a full project. It didn't overheat. My clear atomized perfectly, base atomized perfectly, and I think this is well worth the investment, and the amounts of money that you can make off this is absurd. I'm super excited. My boss is super excited. He wants one. The body guys are super excited. It's just really phenomenal to see how you can paint something with just this, and it comes with the whole system, the whole setup. For 2,600 bucks, bro, it's kind of hard to find guns, two good guns for 2,600 bucks. You know, even Sada's two $1,600 guns, two $800 guns or whatnot. You know what I mean? You still need to buy an air dryer, the compressor, but instead of just taking the loan or just spending the $2,600 on this alone, this is well worth the investment. You're gonna make tons of money off of it. And like I said, if you're not convinced, stay tuned because we'll do some bigger projects later. This came out awesome and I'm super excited. Thanks, Apollo, and thanks for watching.